So today we will discuss exercise 1.1. So in that exercise 1.1, the question number 1 is fill in the blanks. The question number 1, fill in the blanks. Okay. The first one. So 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000 by dividing so lakh by 10,000. Okay. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 10,000 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕ 100,000 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ರೋರ್ ಕ 10 lakh ಕ್ರೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸೊ 1 million ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ zeros so rough all here so do rough so 1 lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1 lakh. So lakh means 5 zeros. Here 10,000. So 10,000 means how many zeros? 4 zeros. So divide this lakh by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10,000 means 4 zeros. So cancel out 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. This 0, this 0. So 0, 0. So meaning in the numerator is 10. Okay. So that is the answer. So 1 lakh means 10,000. So 1 lakh means 10,000. Okay. Same B1. So 1 million. So million is equal to so million. So it starts from 10 raised to 6. Billion. It starts from 10 raised to 9. Okay. Now the million 10 raised to 6. Okay. So 10 raised to 6 means what? So in front of 1 there are 6 zeros. In front of 1, so there are 6 zeros. So 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. So 100,000 means 100 thousands. So 100 means 2 zeros. 1000 means 3 zeros. So total 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. This is 100,000. So cancel all 5 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This 0, this 0. Okay. The remaining in the numerator is 10. So that's why 1 million is equal to 10 100,000. So here also same. So 1 crore. Okay, in simple way. So 1 crore. So crore means how many zeros? 7 zeros. Okay. So 10 lakh. So 10 lakh means how many zeros? 6 zeros. 10 lakh means 6 zeros. Crore means 7 zeros. 10 lakh means 6 zeros. Okay. 7 0 minus 6 0 is equal to 1 0. So this is a very easy method. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ರೋರ್ ಕ 7 0 ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ 10 lakh ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾವ 6 0 ಇರ್ತಾವ. So 7 0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 1 0. So 1 0 means what? 10. So ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ರೋರ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 10 lakh ನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 10 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. The next so 1 crore is equal to dash million. So crore means 7 zeros. Okay. So 1 crore means how many zeros? 7 zeros. So million means how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay. Same. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So 1 means what? 0. So 1 means 1 0. So 1 0 means what? 10. Yes. Here 1 million. So million means 10 raised to 6. Means 10 raised to 6 means how many zeros? Same. 6 zeros. Lakh. Lakh means 5 zeros. Yes. So divide 1 million means what? Divide 10 lakh by lakh. So 5 0 5 0 cancel. Remaining only 10. Okay. So if you confuse ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 10 raised to 6 ಅದಾದ್ರೆ 10 raised to 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸರಿ 3 4 5 6. So this is 1 million. So 1 million is equal to 1 million means 10 lakh or 10 raised to 6. So here lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 0 0 cancel 0 0 0 0. So remind. So remaining the numerator is 10. So that's why 10. So what is this is rough work.
Now the question number 2, place commas correctly and write the numerals for the statement. Okay. So here the first statement is 73,75,307. Okay. So this statement in Indian system. Okay. So Indian system there are 4 groups. The first group is ones, the second group is thousands, third one is lakh, fourth one is crore. Okay, so have to observe from left to right. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಲಿಂದ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದ ನಂತರ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದೇ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೋರ್, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರೋರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ lakh, so after lakh 1000, after 1000 ones. Okay, here the first statement, the first word is 73 lakh. So first word ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 73 lakh means 73, so pronunciation 73, so this is 73. Okay, so in Indian system, so one group having 3 places, next 3 groups having 2 places. Okay, so this is 2 places. Yes, so this one 73 lakh. Yes, 73 lakh. So this is 73. Yes, next, so after lakh group, which one? After lakh group 1000. Any 1000 word is there? See here, 1000. You have to observe 73 lakh. So this is one group. Then so after lakh group, which one? 75,000. So this is second group. Okay, so it means what? After lakh group, so there is a 1000 group is there. Okay, so in the 1000 group the places are 75,000. See, 75. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1000 ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 75,000. ಸೊ 75,000 ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 75,000. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1000, ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, so in ones group, so their places are 100, tens and ones. See here, so this is 307. Yes, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ 0 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ 9 crore. ಸಿ 9 crore, one group 5 lakh. So this is then second group, and 41. So this is third group. Okay, so I have to write from first. So 9 crore. So 9 crore means single digit is there. Okay, so this is 9. So this statement is start from which group? Crore group. Okay, so after crore group, so crore ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ, ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 lakh. ಜಸ್ಟ್ so 5 lakh ada. So in lakh group there are 2 places, so that's why so 5 is one digit, so take back side 0, so this is 5. Okay, after lakh group 1000, so lakh agana 1000 adala. So 1000, so any 1000 word in this statement, so there is no 1000 word. Okay, so that's why in 1000 group there are 2 places, so that's why take 2 zeros. So 1000 group alle, ಸೊ ಯಾವ 1000 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಎರಡು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕಾಮಾ ಇನ್ 1000, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1000 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ರೈಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 0 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 41. ಎಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸೇಮ್ 7 crore, 52 lakh, 21,302. So 302 totally. So how many groups are here? Totally 4. So this is the first group, one group, second group, third group. So this is fourth group. Okay, so they given only totally 4 groups. 7 crore. So this is 7. Yes, then same. So after crore group lakh, so lakh is the word. So 52 lakh, 52. Yes, next 21,000. So after lakh 1000, 21,000. So right, 21 comma 302. So this is 302. Yes, next 58 million. So it is in international system. So 58 million 423,000 here. So this is second group, 423,202. So this is third group. So in this statement there are 3 groups, but our international system same, billion, million, thousand and ones. Okay, so this statement is start from which group? Million group. Okay, so this statement is start from million group, so leave billion. Okay, 58 million 58 million comma 423,000. So after million which group? 1000. Okay, so they given 423. See, 423 means 423,000 comma 202. Yes, 58,423,202. The last one 23 lakh. So this is first group. 30,010. 30,000. This is second. So this is 10 means so one's group. Okay, 23 lakh. So write 23 lakh. So this statement in Indian system 23 lakh. So after lakh group 1000. So any word 1000 is there. Okay, 30,000. 30,000. So after 1000 ones group. So in ones group there are three places 100, 10, ones. So directly they given only 10. So that's why. So 10 means 2 digits. So take 1 0 extra. 0 1 0. So this is 23 lakh 30,010. Okay. So this is question number